And part of that is the heavy rain that's been coming down. Look at this number here, 8.5 inches of spring rainfall since spring began on March 1st. Now that puts us at the second wettest start to spring on record. So I'll tell you what, for a few moments here, let's be thankful for a little bit of a break in some of the torrential downpours. Clearing skies expected tonight, some stars beginning to twinkle away, and that's when things are going to turn cold. We're falling back to 40 degrees right now. Winds have lightened up, and that breeze is going to turn much lighter overnight. We are dropping back into the 30s. A few spots just barely hanging on to the lower 40s, but count on being in the 20s once you step out the door in the morning. A couple stray flurries or snowflakes drifting over Lake Erie. Nothing that's going to impact our area tonight. And with clearing skies, we're going to have a view of these starry skies. Now, frost and freeze warnings across southern and central Ohio haven't been activated yet in northern Ohio or southern Michigan because the growing season is not active yet, but we will be seeing that over the coming weeks as colder air does return. Now, quick update on Artemis 2. The return trip has now officially been initiated. It made its swing around the moon earlier today, and right now is just about 249,000 miles away from Earth, traveling at a velocity of 1,009 miles per hour. And it's making its return trip and is expected back to Earth on Friday. Quick update over the course of the weekend. We did have that confirmed EF1 tornado in Defiant, Ohio. First tornado in the city limits to be confirmed since at least 1950, when records really were started to be more stringently kept. So that was a tornado that reached 95 miles per hour with the max wind speeds. Now, much quieter weather tonight. No risk of any storms or severe weather. We drop back into the 20s into the morning hours. Highs tomorrow afternoon. It's going to take some time to even get above freezing. Lunchtime or so, and highs will reach toward 40 degrees, which will set us up. First pitch time for the Toledo Mud Hens. A much cooler but brighter feeling day, right around 40 degrees. Tonight, much cooler too as well. We're going to drop back to 24 degrees, twinkling stars by the morning, and clear skies through the morning hours will yield abundant sunshine, but a cold feeling day on Tuesday. That high right around 40 degrees. We jump to 58 degrees by the time we hit Wednesday, mostly sunny skies. Thursday, we're headed towards 70 degrees. There will be the chance we get some rain chances late Thursday into Friday, but that is nothing that's going to be widespread or nothing that would bring severe storms. Highs in the upper 60s on Friday, should dip back into the upper 50s on Saturday for a cooler, dry start to the weekend. Look at the better part of the weekend, could be Sunday as far as warm weather, surging back toward the lower 70s, and that trend will continue into early next week. Monday and Tuesday, we're going to continue to climb into the 70s with the return of some scattered showers and storms that will be out there toward the early part of next week, but overall a much warmer trend as we get through the next 10 days beyond a cold feeling day into Tuesday.